Hello dear students, welcome to the YouTube school. So as you have seen in the thumbnail that we are going to solve this particular question with the help of method of completing square. The method of completing square which I am been explaining in this particular video, you won't be finding this particular method anywhere else apart from this particular video. This is a very whole new method in which you will experience some very new thing and a very exciting thing. Okay, the most difficult problem which I have came to find among the students that whenever we used to solve a question with the help of completing square method, we see that we are very confused about what number is to be squared and added on the both sides. Okay, so here in this particular video, we are going to solve this particular issue by a very simple trick. Okay, so let's see what is that trick. Okay, so here is the question as 3x square minus 2x plus minus 1. So here first what we have to do, we have to write the value of a is your 3, the value of b is your minus 2 and the value of c is your minus 1. Okay, in this particular case, when the value of a is not a perfect square, what we have to do, we have to convert this particular value of a into a perfect square. Okay, how can we convert this value into a perfect square? We have to multiply 3 with the particular quadratic equation. After multiplying 3, we will be getting the value as 9x square minus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes or no? This is your particular required equation. Now the value of a changes to the value of a is equal to 9, the value of b is equal to minus 6 and the value of c will be equal to minus 3. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of h. What is this value of h? Whenever some quadratic equation is given to us, we have to find the value of h using minus of b divided by 2 into a. What is this b? Your b is minus 6. Okay, divided by 2 into a. What is the value of a here? 9. Okay, so here it will come as 1 by 3. Yes or no? How 1 by 3? That is the 1 times, 3 times, 1 times and then again 3 times. This plus minus and minus will become plus. So 1 by 3 will be your value of h. Now here comes a very curious case that whenever the value of a is given to us, sometimes there are many different kinds of quadratic equations. So in this particular equation, the value of a is given to us is 9, which is greater than 1. Whenever the value of a is equal to 1, we have to apply some different kinds of methods, different kinds of formula. But when the value of a is greater than 9, greater than 1, then we have to apply some different kinds of formulas. Okay, when the value of a is greater than 1, we have to say that we have to find the value of a into h square. Now what is your a? That is your 9 into h square. What is your h? 1 by 3 square. Okay, here you can see that this particular value of 9, what you can do that if you will put this particular value inside this bracket, how will you write that? 3 into 1 by 3 square. Yes or no? So here you can see that 1 square. Now this is your particular value which is to be squared and added. This particular value which is to be added both the sides of the equation to get the equation in the form of completing square. This will help the equation to complete this square. Okay, let's see that we have to put this value in this particular equation. Okay, that equation is this 9x square minus 6 minus 3. Okay, let us see. 9x square minus 6x plus 1 square is equal to 3 plus 1 square. Okay, so here you can see that this is the equation in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. As you can see that this is the value of a here, this is the value of b, and this is your value of 2ab. Let us see. Check our answer first. Okay, what is the value? This is 2. This is what is your a? 3x. And what is your b? That is 1. So it will come as 6x. So you can see that this 6x is equal to the 6x. So you can easily write 3x minus 1. Here it is minus now. Here it is minus sign. So we have to put minus sign in this middle. The square is equal to 4. Okay. So now we can see that it is a very simple process after this. How? 3x minus 1 will be equal to plus minus 2. Yes or no? If you will take under root both the sides, here and here, you will be getting this. Okay. Now, three x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 2. So 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. So x is equal to 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1. And second case, 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So 3x is equal to minus 2 plus 1 divided by, divided by not. Okay. 3x minus 1, so x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So these are the two different values here. This is your first values, this is your first value, and this is your second value. Okay, so two values you have got by solving this particular quadratic equation. Okay, this is your quadratic equation. This is a very simple method. You just have to add this particular value. Okay, now the case is that when the value of a is equal to 1. So here if you will put the value of a is equal to 1, directly you will be getting the value of h square only. So whenever the term x square is given, simply x square, here you can see that simply x square is given, then you just have to add square and add the value of h only. Okay, for more detail I have already posted one video on this, that is a 45-minute video. You can go and refer that video and solve each and every question related to method of completing square. If you see that particular video, you will be able to solve each and every question related to method of completing square. You no need to find any other book, just that video will be sufficient. Okay, for now, if you like the content, please subscribe the video and don't forget to hit the like button.